In this video, you will learn how to start the Eclipse IDE and create your first dynamic web project. To start the Eclipse IDE, click on the Start menu, then All Programs, then Eclipse. The first time Eclipse starts, it's going to take a while. Next, you will be prompted to select the location of the workspace. The workspace by default is stored in your home directory. The workspace contains all your project files. So I suggest you check this option to use this as default and do not ask again. So next time it won't prompt you to select the workspace. So press OK. Okay, so next you should be shown the following screen, so we can close the welcome screen. Eclipse organizes view in perspectives. So first thing we want to do is create a server to use from Eclipse. So click on the servers tab, then right mouse click on the servers area, then select new server. Okay. The server you want to use is Apache Tomcat version 7.0. So expand the Apache folder, then select Apache Tomcat version 7.0. Just clicking next. Okay, so next you need to specify the location of the Tomcat installation directory. So just press the browse button. It's going to be in the C drive under a directory called DMIT. If you don't have a DMIT221 SDK directory, you can look for it in the E drive. Under here, there should be Apache Tomcat version 7.0.2 directory. So press OK. So next, click Next. Then click on Finish. Okay, so you have successfully added a new Tomcat server for use from Eclipse. Okay, so next we're going to create our first dynamic project. To that, we're going to have to activate the Project Explorer view. Right mouse click here, then select from the context menu, New Dynamic Web Project. So let's enter a project name of DMIT221 Web. Configuration, we want to use Java Server Faces version 2.0 project. Okay, so next, click Next. Next again, Next again. Okay, so next it's complaining that at least one user library must be selected. So in this case, we just change the option to disable library configuration. What we're going to do is copy the JSF library files directly into our project. So click on Finish. Okay, so once it's done, we need to copy some files to our Eclipse project. Okay. So we expand our project, expand the web content folder. Inside web content, expand webinf. We need to copy some jar files into this lib directory. Okay, so start your Windows Explorer. Go to your C drive, DMIT221 SDK. Then look for the mode jar 2.03-FCS directory. Go inside. Then go inside the lib directory. Then select both files. We're going to copy it to the clipboard. Go back to Eclipse. Paste it. Okay, so we're going to need two more files. So let's go to our JSTL directory. So under the C drive, DMIT221 SDK directory, JSTL, we need to copy two JSTL jar files. Go back to lib directory and paste it. Okay, so now we have done that. Let's create our first HTML page. Okay, so right mouse click on web content. Then from the context menu, select new HTML file. We're going to name the file hello world .xhtml. Your pages we create is going to either have the .jsp extension or .xhtml. We're going to want to use .xhtml. So click on next. The template we want to use for this lesson is, we can just select any of the new facelets, so templates. So let's just select the first one, new facelet composite page. Click on finish. Okay, so we can just delete this section code that's being generated. We want to keep the page as simple as possible. So in here, we're just going to have h colon body, the body of our web page. So in between here, we're going to have a h1 tag that says hello. Whoa. We just want to quickly test if our web server is running properly. So save that. So next, to run the web page on the server, right mouse click and select run on server. The first time you run your web app on the server, it's going to prompt you to select a server. So check the option to always use this server when running this project and click on finish. You might be given a Windows security alert. So in that case, just say click on unblock, and there you go. We have successfully created our first web page with Eclipse. This concludes our lesson today.